personally think it's a brilliant move myself.
Oh, you do you?
Mm-hmm. I should have a husband who sets the stage for love and romance.
It is kind of sweet.
If I were you, I'd be out buying something totally devastating to wear.
Well, I don't think I'll go that far.
But you will go, won't you?
Why not? I mean, I get off in plenty of time to be there by 8:30. And it sounds like kind of a lark.
Kind of a lark, she says. Susie, I envy you. This is the kind of marriage every girl dreams about.
Well, I guess it has its moments. And this appears to be one of them. Here, let me share the wealth.
Well, it's the least you can do. Do me a favor. Do your old friend a favor. Let the good times roll.